Hello everyone, my name is Sanket and today I will explain you about the importance of Google Ads or PPC for your business. Let me take you to Google so that I can explain you in an easier way. Guys, supposingly if you are searching for a residential project in Pune, where you will go? You will go on Google. So you will search as best residential project in Pune. So here you go guys. Now you will see over here four results. Shahapur G, then Farande Spaces, Kumar World, and Shahapur Ji, Pallonji. Now what happens here is guys, these three or four companies are promoting their brand or promoting their company or promoting their project on Google Ads. Why? Because according to the survey, only 0.44% of people go to second page of Google and 63% of people click on the top three or four results of the Google page. So now what they are benefiting, these companies are benefiting that they are appearing on top three or four results of the Google page. So of course people will click on these projects. Now when I click on these projects, they will take me to the website of their project. So now when I click on Shahapurji and when I click on Farande Spaces, the particular amount will be charged to these companies as per the Google. How it is charged? Now I'll let you know. For example, also you will see there are results on the bottom of the page. Brahmakop, Excelia or Panchashil or Kolte Patil is the not in Google Ads. So only these three where it is written in bold AD. So guys, these results shuffle up and down. But sometimes when Farande Spaces is saying to Google that I will pay rupees 20 per click and Kumar World says I will pay rupees 50 per click, the obvious whoever is quoting higher, the Kumar result will go on the top of the Google. Right? So Google is the biggest platform in the world. You should surely use it for your business. Everybody is using today. For example, if you say school admission in Pune, you will see this Treehouse School, Elpro School or Vipgad High School. They are promoting their schools for admission purpose. So these examples I am giving for construction project or schools, it can be used for your business also. Why not to use this potential tool by Google to grow your business and to generate more leads for your business? We are currently working with many of the reputed clients with this tool for Google AdWords, which is the most useful tool of 2021, and you should obviously use it. Don't waste your time. Pick your phone and call us. You can search GrowKeys on Google and you'll find our number. Thank you all for listening. And if you like the video, do like, do comment, and do share the video. My name is Sanket and I'm the founder and director of GrowKeys, a digital branding agency. Thank you all.